Yeah, hello kids. How are you? I hope you all are well. Kids, today we will learn chapter number 7 and the chapter name is friction. And the chapter name is friction. Today we will learn friction, fractional numbers. Friction is a part of whole, fractions and collections, numerator and denominator. So class, let's start. Take right the collections divided into equal part. Divided into equal part. Class C. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Each circle in, 3 circle in each group. So it is equal. Now that is not equal. See, it is also not equal. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 6 and here is 5. Both are not equal. Now here is 4, here is 3, not equal. Now 3, 3, 3 equal. Now not equal. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal. Take right to the equal part. Now students, write the friction that shows in shaded part. Shows in the shaded part. It is 1, 2 and shaded part 1 half. Okay class. जो हमारा शेडेड पार्ट होता है हम उसको ऊपर रखते हैं एंड जो हमारा अनशेड पार्ट होता है टोटल 1, 2 हम उसको नीचे रखते हैं एंड upper side is numerator and lower side is denominator. Understood class? It is also 1 by 2 and 1, 2, 3. How many parts it's shaded? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many parts? 1, 2, 3. 3 is shaded. Understood class? Now friction. What is friction class? Friction means a part of a whole or one. A part of a whole or one. When an object or a group of things is divided into equal parts, अब हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को या ग्रुप को डिवाइड करते हैं इक्वल पार्ट्स में, then each part is a fraction of the whole. Each part is the fraction of a whole. Like here is a cookie and divided divided also. In the above picture, we can see that the whole chapati, it is chapati class. It is chapati. हमने इस चपाती को डिवाइड किया है. ओके, इज डिवाइडेड इनटू अनइक्वल पार्ट्स. हमने इस चपाती को अनइक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. ओके, नाउ ऑब्जर्व दिस. ये चपाती है, हमने इसको हाफ पार्ट में. नाउ हमने यहाँ पे 3 पार्ट्स तो किए बट ईच पार्ट इज इक्वल. Now 4 parts, but 4 parts, all parts is equal. In the above picture, we can see that the whole chapati is divided into equal parts. Divided into equal parts. These equal parts of a whole are called fraction. हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को ग्रुप में इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो हमारा क्या होता है? फ्रैक्शन होता है. अंडरस्टूड क्लास? A fraction is always smaller than the whole object. Okay. In maths, a fraction is a number such as half and 1/4, 1/3, 2/3, 6/3, etc. Understood? 1/2 when an object is divided into two equal parts. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं, then each part is called 1/2 of the whole. Now ये सर्कल है क्लास, हमने इसको इक्वली टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. So it is 1/2 of the whole. Divide a circle into two equal parts. Shade one part. The shaded part is one part out of two equal parts. Understood? Understood? The shaded part is called 1/2. We express 1/2 by like this and rate it as 1 by 2 or 1 over 2. 1 over 2. The unshaded part is also one part out of two equal parts. So the unshaded part is also 1/2. That is 2 over 1 or 1/2. Now 1/3. When an object divided into three equal parts, then each part is called 1/3. अब हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को 3 equal parts में डिवाइड कर देंगे like this. तो वो क्या होगा? 1/3 part होगा of the whole. Divide a circle into three equal parts. Shaded one part The shaded part is one part out of three equal parts. The shaded part is called one third. We express one third by 1 by 3 and read as 1 by 3 or 1 over 3. The unshaded part are two parts out of three equal parts. We say that unshaded part is 2/3 of the whole. 2/3 because यहाँ पर दो parts हैं unshaded. ओके, 1/4 और क्वार्टर. 1/4 को हम क्वार्टर भी बोलते हैं और क्वार्टर को हम 1/4 भी बोलते हैं क्लास. When an object is divided into four equal parts, then each part is called 1/4. Each part is called 1/4 or quarter of the whole. Divide a circle into four equal parts. Shade one part. The shaded part is one part out of four equal parts. The shaded part is called 1/4. The shaded part is called 1/4. We express 1/4 by and read it as 1 by 4 or 1 over 4. The unshaded parts are three parts out of four equal parts. The unshaded part is thus 3/4 because 1, 2, 3. Three parts are unshaded of the whole. We express 3/4 by 3 over 4. Now students, 1/5. Take a rectangular paper strip and divide it into 5 equal parts as shown. Shade one part. The shaded part is 1/5 of the whole strip, written as 1/5. The unshaded part are four parts. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 5 equal parts, so the unshaded part is 4/5. Unshaded part is 4/5 because 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 तो unshaded होगा, total हमारे पास 5 है. So it is 4/5 of the whole strip, written as 4/5. Understood? Now look at the paper strip shown below. Understood? Now here the shaded part are 2 out of 5 equal parts. So the shaded part is 2/5 of the whole strip, written as 2/5. The unshaded part are three parts out of 5 equal parts. It is 3/5 of the whole strip, written as 3/5. Understood? Now students, come on the exercise 7.1. Take the right which are divided into equal parts. Understood class? It is divided into equal parts. Yes, this is also. Yes, 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 yes. Understood class? These are divided into equal parts. Now class, shade one half means one half में हमें इसको shade करना है. You can choose any color, any side of the picture. Understood class? Rest of the parts do yourself. Now students, fractional numbers. The numbers such as 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, 1/4, 2/5, 2/4, 2/5, etc. are known as fractional numbers and their symbols is 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, 1/4, 2/4, 2/5 are etc. are known as fractions. Understand class? Some more fractions. Here are some more examples of fraction. The colored part shows the fraction. Now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3, 3/6, 3/4, 2/4, 2/6, 4/6, half, 2/3. Understand class? Now come on exercise 7.2. Write the fraction for each of the following fraction numbers. Now 3/7, 3/7, 3/6, 1/8, 1/5. Understand class? Rest of the parts do yourself class. Fraction as a part of whole. Question number 1. How many 1/2s are there in a one whole? Divide a circle into two equal parts, then each part is 1/2, like this. Now 2 half make a whole. Now 2 parts out of 2 equal parts make a whole. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now how many 1/3s are there in a whole? 1/3. Divide a circle into 3 equal parts like this. Then each part is 1/3. Now clearly 3/3 make a whole. Thus 3 parts out of 3 equal parts make a whole. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. How many 1/4s are there in a whole? Like this. Divide a circle into 4 equal parts. Then each part is 1/4. Clearly 4/4s make a whole. Thus 4 parts out of 4 equal parts make a whole. 4/4s are 4/1s are 4 is equal to 1 whole. Now fraction in a collections. Fractions in a collections. Sushma had a collection groups of 6 stars. सुषमा के पास 6 stars का collection है. Now she colored every other star in the group. Half the stars were colored. She had colored 3. Now she colored 3 stars. Half of 6 stars is equal to 3 stars. 6 divided by 2 is also 3. We write 1 upon 2 of 6. Half of 6 is equal to third. Understood? Now to find half of any number divide by 2. अगर हमें 4 का हाफ चाहिए तो डिवाइड बाय 2 2 8 4 12 का हाफ 6. अंडरस्टैंड? अगर हम किसी भी नंबर का हाफ करना है तो हम उसको क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से. Now 3 children made hand prints on a paper. The whole design had 15 fingers. See, each hand print 5 fingers was 1/3 of the design. So 1/3 of 15 is 5. 15 divided by 3 is also 5. We write 1/3 of 15 is equal to 5. Understood? Now to find 1/3 of any number divided by 3. अगर हम किसी नंबर का 1/3 निकालें तो हम उसको क्या करेंगे? 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. Now students come on the exercise 7.3. Divide the collection into 2 equal parts and write the number of the object in each part. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 half 2 equal means divide by 2 3. So half of 6 is equal to 3. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 or 1 upon 2 of 8 is equal to 4. Understood class? Rest of the parts do yourself. Now question number 2. Divide the collection into 3 equal parts and write the number of object in each part. Divide the collection into 3 equal parts and write the number of the object in each part. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 or 1/3 of 9 is equal to 3. Understand? Now B part 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 or 1/3 of 12 is equal to 4. Understand class? I hope you all have understood very well. Now students, numerator and denominator. Every fraction has 2 numerals. For example, in half there are 2 numerals 1 and 2. Both these numerals are separated by a small line. हमने इसको स्मॉल सेपरेट किया हुआ है, वन स्मॉल लाइन कॉल्ड बार. हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? बार. The numerals above the bar is called the denominator and the numeral below the bar is called denominator. Means upper side is numerator and the lower digit is denominator. So here is 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Understood? The denominator tells us as to how many parts a whole has been divided. Denominator हमें क्या करना है? टेल्स अस हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स, किसी भी पार्ट्स के हमें कितने पार्ट्स होल के डिवाइड करने हैं. एंड द डिनोमिनेटर टेल्स अस हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स देम आर टेकन. हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स आर देम आर टेकन, हमने उसमें कितने से डिवाइड किया है. ओके क्लास? Now students, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.